5. Alabama has its first 2 cases of monkeypox. One is in Mobile County. The health department confirmed the cases today.
WKRG News 5's Nicolette Schleisman in the studio now with more on the cases and some of the precautions that people can take.
Yeah, so like what you said, the first case was a Mobile County resident who went to the doctor earlier this week. The positive result came late yesterday afternoon, and the Alabama Department of Public Health and the Mobile County Health Department made that announcement this morning. Now, the patient had no known contact with anyone with monkeypox and traveled to 3 different states in the past 21 days. More than 1,400 cases of the virus have been identified in 44 states. Now, according to the CDC, many of those affected in the current global outbreaks are gay, bisexual, or other men who have sex with men. But anyone who has been in close contact with someone who has monkeypox can get the illness. The Mobile County Health Department could not give any specific details about the patient, but they did say the patient's behaviors, age, sex, and other risk factors fit the patterns described nationally. Now, the patient had traveled again to 3 different states over the past 21 days. Now, they have been monitoring the patient as well as contacting all of those who have been in contact with that patient. Monkeypox can be spread in many different ways. One of those ways coming into close skin-to-skin contact with someone who has a rash.
It is, in our community, we don't want people to be scared, but we want them to be cautious and to be aware that if you have skin-to-skin contact with people that you don't know, it may raise your risk of monkeypox infection. We want you to be safe about that. We support all lifestyles, but we are going to continue talking about having safe sex and having, maybe modifying lifestyles slightly until this outbreak is over.
Now, monkeypox can cause a rash that looks like pimples or blisters, and you may experience some flu-like symptoms like a fever or a headache. Now, the Mobile County Health Department says they are asking people to quarantine for 21 days, but they are not requiring people to stay home, but to monitor their symptoms. You cannot transmit the virus until you have a symptom. Now, the Mobile County Health Department says they also have vaccine and antiviral drugs coming tomorrow for the patient and those who have been in contact with the patient. Live in the studio, Nicolette Schleisman, WKRG News 5.